Hey guys, this week's vlog gonna be a little different. I'm working on a few exciting projects this weekend, and honestly, it's looking like it's gonna be quite a busy month for me. I figured that this would be a great time to just kind of like give you guys a little bit of background information on like my vlogs and my name and like a little bit about me because I don't really talk about this a lot on the vlog. So I'm a full-time software engineer, been doing this for like 16 years now. The reason I'm so into tech content and tutorials, honestly, I just love making programming a little more accessible. Most days I'm working on tech projects, reviewing new tools, diving into mobile development, or helping other devs level up their workflows. And I'm a self-taught photographer and lately get into content creation on YouTube and podcasts. A couple of years back, I started messing around with videography, and now it's a full-blown obsession. When I'm not recording videos, I'm usually busy with my daily routine at my job. So all the things you see in the vlog, those are the things that I do on the weekends. I kind of jam pack as much as I can to Saturday and Sunday in my free time, and which is why I don't do like a daily vlog, because my life during the week, it's not really that interesting. If you don't know, I kicked off my vlog few months back, started as a lifestyle vlog and slowly flipped into a content creation platform, and now it's all about tech tutorials, tool reviews, productivity hacks, lately even sprinkling in some lifestyle and daily routine content for IT folks. I just love breaking things down, whether it's a new tech tool, a framework, whatever. Been doing this for a minute now. And honestly, the goal's always been simple: make life easier for programmers. Over time, I've dipped into all kind of projects, learned a ton, and yeah, photography has been a big part of it too. You know, I started YouTube channel, and so now it's been 3 months, and I'm loving it. So I'm just gonna continue pushing because I like to do this as a passion, and I appreciate all the support. Anybody who likes, subscribes, comments, I love it. Thank you. A lot of people ask, what is TrueLine? Where did that come from? Yeah, that's the name of the new podcast series. Kind of note the fact that I'm working solo, doing things my own way. Think of it like a tongue-in-cheek tribute to being unconventional, staying self-reliant. Don't have a big team or anything, just grinding every day, balancing tech, creativity, and productivity. I'll be posting more tutorials, more tips, and some behind-the-scenes stuff about life as a software engineer and creator. So that's like a little bit of a background about like where the name the TrueLine came from. My vlog, I think some people might get a little bit confused because I show a lot of projects on my Instagram account from the past few years. Really appreciate all the support, and if you are on Instagram, you can follow me at the Zishanali. I leave the link down below as well. You like the videos, give them a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share the videos if you feel like you want to do that. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe.